Hi, so I'm going to show you how I use the Oveo Comedo suction beauty device. It's an electronic beauty device that's going to suck out some blackheads. As you can see, it's very lightweight, easy to use in my hand, and I can use it on my own without any help. So first I'm going to turn it on with this button right here on top. As you can see or hear, it's making a sound, so that's the suction sound. And I'm going to put it right here where there might be some blackheads. Let's see. So right there you can see there's some suction going on, right? So it feels kind of weird. It doesn't hurt, but I can see and feel the suction there, right? So now, so you can kind of see there's some stuff in there coming out, right? So next I'm going to make it a little more intense by pushing the second button. As you can see, the blue light here went up, so it means it's more intense. So let's try that again. Okay, you can see the suction is there. Kind of doesn't hurt, it just kind of feels a little strange. So that's kind of sucking out all the stuff out of my pore. Good. There we go. Okay, so one more intensity level. Pow. Okay, so let's do this side. So there, it doesn't hurt, it's just the suction. It's gonna suck out all those blackheads right around my nose area. Alright, so I'm gonna do this for another 5 minutes or so. As you can see, it kind of turns a little red, but I'm sure that'll go away. But yeah, stay tuned for the final review. I'm gonna do this for another 5 minutes and tell you how it went, okay? Super easy to use, check it out.